तो हमारे पास एक नया आइडिया है। मोबाइल फोन्स में 3 कैमरे, 4 कैमरा, 5 कैमरा, एक फोन में 5 कैमरा। ठीक है। हमारा एक कैमरा 12 मेगापिक्सल का होगा, 40 मेगापिक्सल, एक कैमरा 40 मेगापिक्सल, तो 3 कैमरा होगा 120 मेगापिक्सल। 120 मेगापिक्सल एक फोन में। ठीक है, ओके ठीक है भाई, ठीक है। और सारे फोन साइड से राउंड, हम फोन बीच से मोड़ देंगे ऐसे।
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and this is the Oppo Find N2 Flip. Now I have been using this device for about 4 to 5 months now, because I have this device even before the launch. Oppo has sent me to test it out, and I have made a whole first impression and review video of this Oppo Find N2 Flip. The link will be in the I button somewhere up there, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 coolest features of this device. So without wasting any time, let's flip it.
Now you can shoot high-res selfies with your Oppo Find N2 Flip on your cover screen without even opening the phone, and you will shoot high-res selfies with your main camera.
Another cool feature of Oppo Find N2 Flip is now you can see yourself while vlogging on your phone, and this is pretty insane. This is basically a game changer feature for mobile bloggers who blog on their smartphones, and you can see yourself, you can, like, this is pretty insane, and this is literally a game changing feature for so many people, so many content creators. With the Oppo Find N2 Flip, the tabletop photography or flat lay photography made very easy. Now if you have a normal device, you have to do like this, or you have to manage it like this, but with the Oppo Find N2 you can just tap this button, and now you can click flat lays without any worry, and you can create some beautiful flat lay photography with the device. For photographers, Oppo Find N2 Flip opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Now for shooting time-lapse, you don't need a tripod. You just need to set your device like this, open up the camera, and now start shooting, and leave it for shooting a time-lapse for a long time. And lastly, how can you ignore these beautiful interactive pets? It's not only restricted to this one, there are a lot of options, like this cat. It's really cute. Use whatever you want and give your device a personalized touch.